Good morning. I am 4 minutes earlier today. So, as always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward about 4 minutes. Or, of course, you can stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Sandra. Good morning, John. All right, it is time for us to start, and we will continue our chakra series. And in the next few days, we will look at the 7 basic rights that each of the 7 main chakras reflects. Just to give you a general idea before we dive in today, the root chakra represents our right to be here, the sacral chakra, the right to feel, the solar plexus chakra, the right to act, the heart chakra, the right to love, the throat chakra, the right to speak, and finally the crown chakra, our right to know. Today we will explore our right to be here, the root chakra. Anodea Judith, in her book dedicated to the psychology of the chakras, that is called Eastern Body, Western Mind, which I highly recommend, by the way, if you want to deepen your knowledge of the chakras, she says, to find solidity in the first chakra, we must have an instinctual sense of our right to exist. And yet, a large majority of people have trouble with this right, as basic as it may seem. Without the right to be here, few other rights can be reclaimed. Do we have the right to take up space? Do we have the right to establish individuality? Do we have the right to take care of ourselves? The right to be here is the foundation of our survival and security. I also learned an interesting fact from Mark Nepo's book of Awakening. Apparently, for centuries, African Bushmen have greeted each other in this way. When one becomes aware of his brother or sister coming out of the brush, they exclaim, "I see you." And then the other one rejoices, "I am here." This is a simple and profound truth. We have the right to be here. We have the right to take up as much space as we need and want. We have the right to be seen. And all of this is the domain of our first chakra. So let's do a practice around that now. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle in. Scanning your body, notice what's going on for you now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you? Close your eyes. Root down into the earth. Feel your connection with it. The support that it always provides. And breathing slowly, start noticing the sense of being you, the sense of your unique presence on this earth. At the very base of your spine, visualize your first chakra, your root. You may imagine it as a sphere of red energy, rotating slowly and radiating light in all directions. How does it feel? How much space can you take up with your energy? With each breath cycle, allow this light, this energy to expand further and further out. Become as big as you want to. Now repeat after me. I have the right to take up space. I have the right to be here. I am enough. I am here. Remember that people in your life who have validated your personhood by seeing you and exclaiming, I see you in whatever way they do it, are the foundation of your self-worth. Now think of who these people are for you. Send your gratitude to them. Imagine one or several of these people seeing you and saying, I see you. And you respond, I am here. I am here. I am here. Reconnect with the energy of your root chakra, the red light radiating from the area at the base of your spine in all directions, as far as you want to take up space. And we will complete our practice today with the Bija mantra for the root chakra. The sound is Lam, L-A-M, Lam. We will repeat it 7 times. And as you recite this mantra, let yourself expand more and more into your basic right to be here, to take up space. Lam, 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 Lam. As you go through your day today, notice when you suddenly forget that you have the right to take up as much space as you need. And in these moments, remind yourself, I am here. I have the right to be here. I am enough. And enjoy taking up as much space as you want. You're worth it. You are enough. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.